Today we'll be learning how to complete this easy distortion drone effect in Final Cut Pro X. If you are new here, this is a channel for all Final Cut Pro tips, tricks, and plugins. Here on the screen is our website where you can find various plugins that will help your workflow in Final Cut Pro. Some are free and some you have to pay for, but just go ahead and check that out on the site. Now let's get right into the video for today. Okay, so we have our clip. It is a drone scene right here. And I will put this in the link in the description for you guys. But we're just gonna add 3 quick effects. Make sure you stay to the end. I'm gonna give you guys a special effect where you can get it on my website. So first of all, we're going to go to the effects tab and we're going to add a sketch effect. You're gonna turn the intensity down, probably to around 15, 16, somewhere around there. And then you are going to type in underwater and you're gonna add that effect as well. These are 2 built-in effects in Final Cut Pro that are absolutely free. So here, you're just gonna make adjustments to the size. You can increase it, turn the speed down. I always like mine not too bumpy or too wavy, so I just play around with the parameters. See this right here, this is a little bit too slow for me, so I'm gonna bump it up. And we can actually bump up the speed as well. And from here, you can just play with the parameters so that it fits your speed or your the vibe of the video, just according to you. You can just kind of play around with it. Okay, this is the perfect speed for me. And the last effect that you can do to actually enhance this is to add a glint light effect. This will be in the description. So you're going to just drop that on your clip. As you can see, it's already making a significant impact, but you can make adjustments with the parameters as well. You can turn down the exposure. And now you have a completely new scene. Yeah, so if you have any questions, just comment below. If you have any suggestions on any effects that you would want to see, comment below. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.